Hello folks. So this review I want to talk about the Coleman water bottle, the thermos. This is the 700 milliliters or 24 ounces version. Now there are two options for this water bottle. The first one is 700 milliliters as I said, and the second one is 1.2 liters or 40 ounces. Now the main reason why I bought this small version is because you can take it anywhere you want, like for your morning walk park or for your bike ride, and it's quite small. I think it's about 30 centimeters or about 20 inches, so I think it's quite small, yeah. So the size, this is the big advantage of this water bottle, is because it's not so big, it's quite small. Now the parts, the first one is a mug or a cup. You can use it like a mug. The volume is 200 milliliters or 6.5 inches. Is made from the plastic. There is no rubber part. I think it's 2-wall, and it's, as I said, it's BPA free and it's plastic. Yeah, it's very convenient. You can use it as a mug and drink it wherever you want. Now the second part is this cap is made from the plastic. It has a rubber part here, you may notice. The red one uses as a cup, and there are two options, like you can close it till the up. Now it's a closed position. You can open and you can leak your water wherever you want. And the big advantage of this Coleman water bottle is you can leak it with 360 degrees, as the name of this bottle. Now the other brands can use only two parts, like upstairs or downstairs, and this option you can use it like 360. I think this is the big advantage. You can open till the end and you can refill it with your tea, coffee, or with the ice. This part is a metal. You can think that it's like a plastic, but instead the outside and the inside part is made from the steel. So all this part is the metal. You may notice there's a border like here. It shows like the metal was painted, so it looks like plastic, but instead this is the steel. This part is made from the plastic, and the bottom, this part is a rubber. So when you put on a table, it won't move around. I think this is a very convenient thing in this water bottle. Now you can buy this one 700 milliliters part as for $20 on Amazon. I think it's not so much. Now why I'm doing this review is to tell you about the real numbers for how long does it keep hot and cold water. Now the hot water keeps around 7 hours. Yes, 7 hours. As Amazon says, it should keep like 26 hours, but instead it keeps only 7 hours. I mean the hot water. If you want the warm water, it's still 12 hours. Not so long, yeah. And if we're talking about the cold water, it took like 10-12 hours. I mean with the ice inside, just a simple water. And Amazon says that it should keep your cold water around 54, I think 56 hours, but instead the real numbers are 12, maybe 11 hours. This is the real numbers if you want the cold water, not just a simple room temperature water. And that's all. So keep in mind if you want to buy thing. As I said, the size is a big advantage. Steel, it's made of steel, this is a big advantage. But with the keeping the water hot or cold, I think you should know about this. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Be safe.